na ba yan?
You told me more, so much more when
Ano yan?
Filmy Arches XM.
Ah,
this was happening in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I prayed that you would stay, but then you're gone. Oh, so far away. I was afraid na malaman ko ngayon na pala na best friends ko nasasaktan ko. May kailan ka ba wala na sa'kin? Minsan lang umibig ako sa tanga pinagpaling pa ako. Sa kabungin ang inaw ko, mamatay ka na. Niloloko niyo ko.